Hey there, welcome to Entrepreneur Financials, where we break down confusing financial terms into plain language. Today, we're going to tackle one of the most misunderstood concepts in finance: compound interest. Compound interest is interest that's calculated not just on the principal amount, but on the interest earned as well. In other words, you earn interest on your interest. Let's say you invest $1,000 and earn 5% interest per year. After 1 year, you'll have earned $50 in interest, bringing your total to $1,050. Now, with compound interest, the next year you'll earn 5% not just on your original $1,000, but on the $50 you earned in interest as well. So after 2 years, you'll have earned a total of $102.50 in interest. The power of compound interest is that it can really add up over time. If you leave your money invested for many years, even a small difference in interest rates can make a big difference in your total returns. If you have any other financial terms you'd like us to explain, leave a comment below and we'll try to cover it in a future episode. Thanks for watching Entrepreneur Financials.